This is Greg Fanbook of Greg's Mind, and for this video I will be talking about, I see like 3 different state of minds, I guess, and those 3 different state of minds are flow, randomness, and order. Now, flow is easy because it's a natural thing we all do. Like if we get into the groove of music we're listening to, that is the flow. We're just acting on the energies that are around us. Now, if we get to random is acting, is like purposely trying to be random, trying to store something up or something. But then we got order, which is the main one I wanted to talk about. And with order, we are basically, order is chaos. Order is what causes chaos, because it is it's labeling everything what it is. So let's say this right here, I got a pen. We all know it's a pen. That is the definition we as a collective have given it. But the thing is, how I think it's how quantum physics works is that this could also be a pencil, it could be anything we want it to be. But because we have given it order, it is by definition now just a pen. It cannot be anything else. And that is where we can't change it, because we all see it as just a pen. And that is the main point of this video, to show that you can change something. You can move past it, I guess. So this brings me to the main thing I wanted, well, not the main thing, but just a thing off of the main thing. Whatever. I should have been prepared. Whatever. So let's look at religion. Religion, we have Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, all this stuff. They all have a base premise around it's all about following some teacher. The thing is, we are the teacher, and we're supposed to be following our own spiritual path. Now, what I want to go into with religion is that we have been, at least for the Christianity religion, we have been, in a sense, drinking from the same cup for about 2,000 years. And we continue to drink from it, even though the, let's say, milk has gone sour in it. Now, I actually have a glass of milk, and I mean, it's fresh, so it's good. But it's to illustrate the point that we are drinking, so Christianity, the Bible and stuff, we're drinking from a 2,000-year-old glass, and milk is sour. It probably isn't even there anymore. We're just scraping at the bottom now. And because of this, we do not see the glass of orange juice that is sitting next to it. We don't see beyond what is given to us, what has been told to us about how good the milk is. We do not see that there is the new opportunity of drinking from the orange juice, which could be a different religion, a different ideology that is far more beneficial to us as humans, that we can expand upon. So because we're giving order to the Bible and all that is what we've been doing for 2,000 years. We are never gonna look beyond it until someone, such as myself, gives the information about the orange juice that has been sitting there all along. And there could be other juices, about ice or whatever. I mean, the point is, people are so focused on the milk, they'll focus on the Bible, the religion, they'll focus on that. They never stop to look at what is behind it, or what is next to it, what is could like rejuvenate the spiritual community of Christianity. So I think I got my point out somehow. I don't know, but like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Discord, the Patreon, and I hope to see you guys soon. See you guys again soon. Have a good day. Sorry for the sun. Probably should have recorded this later on. And goodbye.